Hi, here's a quick demo showing you how we can query for the status and other information about individual transactions, such as invoices, using Ada. So I'm logged in here as a financial analyst, and what I'll do is just start asking these ad hoc questions, such as show me the status and amount for transaction or invoice 4049. So Ada will now go away, do some language understanding, and then go and run the query in real time to get the status and amount for this particular transaction. And there we go. We can also ask follow-up questions such as who was the company? Or vendor or supplier, whatever it may be. And Ada will now understand that we want to change this question and add in the company details. And there we go. If we want to, we can download all transactional details about this. So if we do download, give us like 30, 40 columns of information, for example. But we can also start the analysis at a higher level. So rather than coming in at an individual transaction, I could ask, for example, show me our top 5 overdue debtors as an example. So Ada will now show us the top 5 companies that are overdue and will also provide the total invoice amount. And there we go. We can see the biggest offender here is this company, Abracado Holdings. Now what we can do, we can do further ad hoc queries. So I could say, show me an invoices trend for Abracado Holdings. Now with Ada, I don't need to type the whole name. You can see I've just typed ABR, and then the type ahead gives us the rest of the company name there. So that's very convenient for the user. And now we're going to see the invoices trend. Now the invoices trend, there we go. What I can do is I can say include other bits of information, such as include overdue status. So we can see the blend of invoices that are overdue versus not overdue. And there we are. The overdue invoices are in grey. If I want to, I can click on one of the grey bars and I can say transactional details. So I can actually download all the transactions that have been highlighted there. Alternatively, I could just filter for the overdue transaction. So I could just say something like overdue only as an example. And this query will now rerun, but will only bring back the overdue transactions. And there we are. So we can download the transactions individually, or we can just download all transactions. I can go download underlying records. We'll get a pop-up asking us what details do we want to see about these transactions. And I'm going to say I want to see all transaction details. And now we get our CSV download with about 30 to 40 columns of information about those transactions. Thank you for watching. I hope that was a useful demo for you.